Okay, let's take a look at how easy it is to construct a confidence interval if we just use Excel. So let's send data to Excel. Here we go, grab that. Oh, sorry, opened up in the other screen. There we go. So let's get a first couple of things first of all. So this is the I guess we can call it the mean, standard deviation, and let's call it error. That's what they've been calling it. And then lower limit and upper limit. Okay? So the mean is just coming from average of column A. So we just type in equals average and then select the data in column A. Standard deviation is similar. It's stdev dot s, that's important, parentheses, and then whatever's in column A. And then the error, this is really where the main calculation comes in. Let me make this a little bigger here. So here we're going to do confidence t, and you notice there was also a confidence norm. That would be for a z distribution when we do know sigma. Here we don't know sigma, and we want 90% confidence interval. Well, alpha is the part for error. It's the part we're not confident about. It's the 10% that we're off, and so we're going to put 0.10 there. That's the part we're not confident, alpha. Standard deviation, we calculated that already. And then the size is just however many data points we have. So in this case, you can see we have 19. So we put 19 there. And this gives us our thing that comes after the plus minus. In other words, you start with the mean, subtract the error, and then you start with the mean and add the error. So these give us our lower and upper limits. 4.752 and 4.802. So that's making use of Excel to get these things really quickly.